Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can clear app cache to improve our Android performance. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll down until you find apps settings, and it's right here. Just tap on it and select the app that you want to clear the cache. And for example, I'm going to clear the cache of CapCut app. So just tap on CapCut, then you can click on storage over here, and after that we can click on clear cache right here. Alright, and if you want to clear the other app cache, you can go back to the previous menu and select the app that you want to clear the cache, and just repeat the same step that I have explained to you before. Okay guys, and that's how we can clear app cache on our Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.